Why does the whisper of ancient maritime trade routes continue to echo in the annals of history? These paths of commerce, stretching across the vast expanse of the world's oceans, hold tales of human ingenuity, ambition, and the relentless pursuit of wealth and cultural exchange. Today, we sail across the centuries, riding the wave of time to the origins of these routes and their significance in the world's development. Our journey begins in the cradle of mankind, the Horn of Africa, where the ancient maritime trade routes first emerged. As early as the 3rd millennium BC, seafarers from the region now known as Somalia ventured into the vast uncharted waters of the Indian Ocean. Their ships, crafted from the native trees, were not just vessels of trade, but harbingers of a new era of global interaction. The first of these routes, the incense route, was more than just a passage for goods. It was a conduit for the exchange of ideas and cultures. It connected the fragrant incense groves of southern Arabia to the markets of the Mediterranean. The Somali merchants, using the monsoon winds, transported cargoes of frankincense and myrrh, commodities more valuable than gold in the ancient world. These aromatic treasures not only enriched the traders, but also played a crucial role in religious and ceremonial practices across different cultures. Next, we turn to the famed Silk Road, a network of water and land routes that connected the East and West. Although the name suggests a focus on silk, the maritime path of the Silk Road, often overlooked, was just as significant. Somali traders, again, played a pivotal role in this global exchange, trading exotic goods from the Far East, such as silk, spices, and porcelain, with the West's commodities like gold, ivory, and frankincense. But these routes were more than just conduits for commerce. They were catalysts for cultural and intellectual exchange. Along with goods, ideas and beliefs traveled, influencing art, science, and literature. These routes helped spawn a golden age of innovation and cultural diversity, shaping the course of human civilization. In conclusion, the ancient maritime trade routes, such as the incense route and the Silk Road, were not merely paths of commerce. They were the arteries through which the lifeblood of culture, knowledge, and wealth flowed, connecting disparate civilizations. The establishment of these routes marked the dawn of global trade, fostering economic prosperity and cultural enrichment. The Somali seafarers, navigating the treacherous waters of the Indian Ocean, were not just traders but pioneers of a globalized world. Through their endeavors, they gave rise to a dynamic cultural and economic landscape that echoes the vibrant tapestry of today's interconnected world. So when we trace the lines of these ancient maritime trade routes, we are not just charting the paths of old ships, we are navigating the course of human history, a journey that continues to shape and enrich our world today.